What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming back at you with another video. Man, I hope everybody is having an awesome day today. Today is Saturday and we are out here just kicking it, man. But I got a great video for you today. You know your boy been rocking Saddlemen seats since he had Khrome. No other seat been on that bike except for Saddlemen. Today I got another seat I want to show you all, and I'm gonna show you the seats and I'm gonna let you know why I got another seat. So let's get into it, baby. We out of here. Okay, y'all, we're back, y'all. Hey, y'all know your boy been rocking Saddlemen seats for a minute. My first seat was a Saddlemen SDCC. I put over 27,000 miles on that seat, and I also did my 1,000-mile saddle sore on that seat as well. Great seat, y'all, great seat. But I love what Saddlemen does with the seat, with the gel technology and everything. It just make the seat much more comfortable. I mean, the seat, you can ride miles on it. Like I say, I did my 1,000-mile saddle sore on it. So yeah, you see the two seats that I have in front of me right now. I sold my SDC seat. This is the tuck and roll right here. Very comfortable seat right out the box, y'all. This seat is comfortable right out the box. Very well made, not a stitch out of place. Just a great seat, y'all. And I've been rocking this. And I just did Daytona on this seat, and I did Knoxville on this seat. So you know those are some 17 hours and 14-hour rides. So yeah, but then I went to the road sofa. And the reason that I went to the road sofa seat is because my wife said that she wasn't getting back on this little seat. Y'all see this right here? Y'all see this right here? My wife cannot fit that right there. So Saddlemen sent me another one out. I want to thank Buster for sending me this seat out. Y'all, this seat is so darn comfortable. I really like this seat. But yeah, this is a great seat. Y'all see the seat? It's got the backrest. Y'all, I'm gonna tell you, I didn't think I was gonna like this big backrest. That's one reason I got the Saddlemen SDCC, because it had the small backrest for your lower lumbar support. But this is gonna be my seat for when I travel long distance. And I'm talking about them 17 and 12-hour rides that I do in one day. But this seat here, I can also do the same on this seat. But from now on, this is gonna be what this seat is for, and for when the wife will get on here, or my daughter, or whoever, and we take a nice long ride on this Saddlemen seat. Y'all, and this is another seat that's comfortable right out the box. Look at that. Look at that. I really love that. And I love the backrest. You can tilt it forward and everything. And another thing that I like this Saddlemen's doing, I had a backrest also to match that. This is the covers for the bike. This is for the backrest right here. This, even for the backrest, they have covers to cover it up from the rain, from the heat. And they have this. This is another one for the seat right here, just to cover the seat up in general. So yeah, I like what Saddlemen is doing with this, man. This is great material right here, and like I say, it's water resistance too. So yeah, you put it on when it start raining, cause these seats are perfect. This seat is perforated here, and it will get soaked if you don't put this on there. So even if you ride and you get caught in the rain, stop and put this on there. But y'all, Saddlemen been doing their thing. I got to give it to them. They've been doing their thing. They have another seat that they just sent me out, and I want to show it to you all. Y'all, let me show it to you. Let me get this seat out of here. Wow, check out this boy here. Whoo! I love the design on that seat. This is the reason I wanted this seat. And this is, all my seats are extended reach seat as well, because I'm 6'3", and I need to be able to sit back. But y'all, look at this seat. Well made, the nice carpet on the bottom. Man, the leather is really good, really nice. Y'all, and this seat is, look at that. That let me know this seat is gonna be already comfortable. Y'all, and I really like this seat. And I'm gonna tell you why I wanted another seat. I wanted it because of the design. The designs remind me of honeycombs. I really like that. And I like red too. But this is gonna be a seat that I rock around town. I might even make some long distance trips on it. But this is when I get with my performance bagger guy. You know, Kong is black, and I gotta make it look mean when I pull up, if somebody wanna pull up on me, you know what I'm saying? But this is the seat that I'm gonna be doing that. Like I say, this is my long distance seat. But this is the seat that I'm gonna be just rocking around town, man. You know, I'm putting little pieces of red on the bike as well. So yeah, we're gonna get this seat on, and you know, you got to turn this around here. It got a new rubber here. Oh, it's got a red one too. I guess I'm gonna use the red one. But yeah, I love Saddlemen seat. You can see the blue here, the memory foam right there. Just a great looking seat, and I know that this seat is gonna be really comfortable. And this seat came with, oh, I got a hat right here. Thank you, Buster. I appreciate that. And I think I got, I think it's a cover. Oh, he sent me a cup. Thank you, Buster. I appreciate that. Saddlemen cup, y'all. I definitely need this when I'm on the road. So yeah, I want to thank Saddlemen for that, man. But yeah, check that out, y'all. We're gonna get this on the bike, y'all. See how it look. And I really love the red stitching. Look at that, man. Look at that red right there. Look at that. And man, I know my wife ain't gonna sit on this. That's why I got the road sofa. This is gonna, like I said, this is gonna be the seat where I just ride around the town. And I'm finna rock this seat today. Oh man, awesome looking seat. Don't y'all love that design? See, that's one thing I like about Saddlemen. They just keep coming up with different designs, different seats, and it just looks really well. So y'all, I'm gonna put this on the bike. I'm gonna get this on the bike right here, and I'm gonna let you see what it look like. All right, let's get it. Y'all tell me what you think about the Saddlemen seat here. It looks really good. I really like it. It's a little firm, but I know it's gonna take a little breaking in, but it is already soft, and I really like that seat, y'all. That looks good on Khrome, y'all. Like I say, I'm putting a few little pieces of red on here. But we're gonna end the video right here, and I wanna thank Buster from Saddlemen again, bruh. I really appreciate you sending me this seat over, and we're gonna rock this seat right here for a minute right here. We ain't taking this off for a while. But y'all, until the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm out. Peace.